Okay, we're going to now pour the opposing cast.
With bluestone instead of green.
With bluestone, yes, good. We're going to add just enough water to this so that as we mix it, we want to get about the same consistency that we had before. Notice we're getting really close to just a touch of water. Really close, just a drop or two. Now, we'll turn this on. Add just a touch at a time, just enough so that it flows very slowly so you don't trap air bubbles in the impression.
You didn't spray that side.
Oh, you're right, I didn't. So, I guess we'll get to see if it makes a difference. Okay, now we've got it poured. Now we're going to fill this side of the tray. Fill all the way through. Just a little bit extra. And now we'll take this, put the two together, tap it till we're all the way down seated. If you want, you can actually trim away part of the stone just so it makes it easier to clean. And we're done.